What's up, Broadway peeps? Name and Light's coming at you with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. I got this gimbal over Christmas break, and I've been using it all the time. I love the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. It can help me stabilize my videos, and it is easy to use. I also got the DJI Mimo app. I love this app because it can help you move your gimbal, and it has some manual controls which can help out in making all your videos look cinematic. The DJI Osmo Mobile 3 can also work with the Moment app and the Filmic Pro app. So if you're ready to see this review, then keep on watching. So the combo kit came with all these things. I love the combo kit because it has a stand that you can actually twist off of your DJI Osmo Mobile so you can prop your gimbal up, because if you do not have it, then it will fall. All that you have to do to attach this tripod is twist it onto the bottom, and then it adds another grip for your videos. The kit also comes with this awesome container. This container can hold only your gimbal. The container does not hold your tripod if you get the combo kit. But my solution to this is to attach this bag, which is another smaller bag for your DJI Osmo, and stuff it into this elastic sleeve in the back of the container, and then twist off my tripod. Oops, I almost dropped it there. And then I stuff it in to the same compartment. It is a little bit bulky, but it is a great solution to this fix. The DJI Osmo Mobile also comes with this strap. This strap can help you keep your Osmo steady and on you at all times. All you have to do is adjust this piece. You slide your wrist through it, and then all you have to do is tighten it in, and it will keep your gimbal on you at all times. And you can do this with one person. The Osmo comes in this box that feels super nice. I love this box, and it feels just like an Apple product, actually. The box comes with all your warranties and instruction manuals so that you know how to use the gimbal as soon as you get it. If you need help using the gimbal, then keep on watching and I will help you use your gimbal. The package comes with these sleeves that all the parts came in with. They are really nice and they feel really good. They also keep all your things protected. I love that the charging is USB-C because it is really quick at charging your gimbal. Your gimbal can stay charged for up to 15 hours. This is so nice because if you are on a filming shoot, then you do not want your gimbal to die on your shoot. So I'm going to take you outside so that you can see me testing out this gimbal. So I have my phone stabilized in my gimbal, and now I'm going to hold down the M button. I'm going to go into my DJI Mimo app. If you have a phone that does Face ID, you might want to turn your phone back to vertical. You will have to calibrate your gimbal with your phone. So all you have to do to start recording is press the red button. To get your phone back to stable, all you have to do is double tap your trigger and it will move with it. And there you go. If you want to keep your phone in that same position, hold down this trigger. If I want to get selfie mode, then I triple tap the trigger in the back, like this. If you want to trigger sports mode, all you have to do is tap the trigger and hold it down again. So like this. So it moves your gimbal super fast. To move your gimbal any way that you want without moving the base is to use this. So now I'm going to take some videos with the DJI Osmo Mobile 3, and you will see how stabilized your footage will be. awesome feature called the time-lapse feature. With the gimbal, you can set 4 points. These points can change the position of your camera to different sections that you will want for the duration of your time-lapse. Thank you peeps so much for watching. And also, thank you to my sister Sparkle and Lights for helping me out with the making of this video. So, if you like this video, then click right here to watch another video just like this, and click right here to watch another one of my awesome videos. And have you subscribed yet? Then click right here and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to ring that bell so you can be notified every time I make a new video.